Sophia, welcome. So tell me, why this penthouse?
It's not just a home, it's a statement of who I am.
What would you say is your favorite space in the entire residence?
You know, it's hard to choose, but I will show you. Here, I host. Here, I escape. Here, I close my biggest deals.
Where do you feel the most at peace?
Right here, just me and the sea, full silence.
Wow, your private rooftop is huge. How do you entertain yourself here?
Only right people, the best music, and of course the best food by Bellini chefs.
Who's playing at your housewarming party?
Lost Frequencies, Ahmed Spins? You tell me.
In your opinion, what makes this place irreplaceable?
Just look at it. I'm in the heart of the city with the utmost privacy.
Describe it in one sentence.
It's a timeless masterpiece.